Should you buy a flood-damaged vehicle? Pros/cons. Buying a flood-damaged car is generally not recommended due to the potential risks and complications associated with such vehicles. Flood damage can have long-lasting and hidden effects on a car's mechanical, electrical, and safety systems. While it might seem like an opportunity to get a vehicle at a lower price, the drawbacks and potential expenses can far outweigh the initial savings. So, before starting the video, please like this video. Do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Here are some reasons why you should think twice before buying a flood-damaged car. 1. Hidden damage. Flood damage can be deceptive, as water can infiltrate various components and systems that might not be immediately visible. Moisture can seep into the engine, transmission, electrical wiring, airbags, brakes, and more. This can lead to corrosion, electrical malfunctions, and compromised safety features. 2. Mechanical and electrical issues. Floodwater can damage a car's engine, transmission, and other mechanical components. Water can also cause shorts in the electrical systems, leading to issues with lights, sensors, and other electronic components. These problems can be difficult to diagnose and expensive to repair. 3. Safety concerns. Flood damage can compromise a vehicle's safety systems, including airbags and brakes. If these systems are not functioning properly due to water damage, it puts the driver and passengers at risk in the event of an accident. 4. Resale value. Flood-damaged cars typically have significantly lower resale value compared to non-damaged vehicles. Even if you repair the damage, potential buyers might be wary of the vehicle's history and avoid purchasing it. 5. Insurance challenges. Many insurance companies are hesitant to provide coverage for flood-damaged vehicles due to the high risk of ongoing issues and safety concerns. This could result in higher insurance premiums, or even a refusal of coverage. 6. Title and legal issues. Flood-damaged vehicles might have a salvage, or flood damage, title. This title branding can make it difficult to resell the car in the future or even register it in certain states. Additionally, some sellers might attempt to hide the true flood damage history, potentially leading to legal issues if the buyer discovers the deception. 7. Mold and odor. Water damage can lead to mold growth inside the car's interior, causing health issues and persistent odors that are difficult to remove. 8. Repairs can be costly. Even if you purchase a flood-damaged car at a discounted price, the cost of repairs to make the vehicle safe and roadworthy can quickly add up. In many cases, these repair costs can exceed the value of the car itself. 9. Unreliable performance. Flood-damaged cars are more likely to experience ongoing problems and breakdowns. This can result in unreliable performance and leave you stranded on the road. 10. Unknown history. It's often challenging to determine the full extent of flood damage a car has undergone. Even if the car appears to be in good condition initially, problems could emerge later as the effects of water damage become more pronounced. In conclusion, while buying a flood-damaged car might seem like an opportunity to save money up front, the potential risks, safety concerns, hidden damage, and ongoing expenses make it a risky choice. It's usually advisable to avoid flood-damaged vehicles and instead invest in a car with a clean history and proven reliability. If you're considering buying a used car, always have a trusted mechanic inspect it thoroughly, and consider obtaining a vehicle history report to ensure you're making a well-informed decision. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.